Opening the door. So, ayan. Walang susi yan, guys. Let's check inside. So, ito ang aming tulugan for a night. Ayan, maganda. Maganda naman yung room niya. Ganda naman siya. And this is our view for tonight. Ayan. So, ayan. Maganda ang room niya. Let's check the washroom. Okay. So, ito yung washroom niya. Maganda. And what's this? Okay. So, ayan, may bulb pa siya. Tapos ito, may coffee. Maganda yung ano niya, yung settings niya. Then, meron pa ritong laptop. Oh. Computer pala. Ayan, dito kami matutulog for tonight. Ayan, guys. So, pahinga muna. That's our... Ayan. Nakapahinga din ng maayos-ayos. Relax lang, pag may time.